how many seeds do we put inside one cotton ball?
I put 4 in here altogether.
Okay.
Sometimes they'll all 4 grow, sometimes 1 or 2, so it's best to try a few more than you would if you were out in the field.
Get the cotton ball first, or do we wet it after we put the seeds in?
You can wet it before.
How often, like, do we only put water in there once, or do we do it multiple times?
I would wait for about 2 to 3 days and just check your cotton balls. If they start drying out, spray a little water in there.
So after we put the cotton seeds in our cotton ball, we place the cotton ball in the plastic bag?
Yes. And make sure the bag's not flat, okay? Make sure there's like space so that when your plants germinate, they're gonna pop up and you don't want the baggies squishing them, okay?
Morse, what do we need the soil for?
Okay, so when the seedling comes up from cotton or from your avocado, we're gonna transplant into the soil in that little brown pot that's in your bag.